Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 2 tablespoons of pan drippings, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of hot broth. Make sure you have a good whisk ready, as it is your best friend for achieving a smooth consistency. We will start by creating a flavorful base from your roast drippings. The secret to a rich, thick gravy lies in mastering the roux. First, melt 2 tablespoons of fat, usually pan drippings, in a saucepan over medium heat. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Cook this mixture, stirring constantly, for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes a light golden brown. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and builds a robust flavor base. Now, let's achieve that perfect consistency. Slowly pour in 2 cups of hot liquid, like chicken or beef broth, into your roux while continuously whisking. This gradual addition and constant stirring are crucial to prevent lumps. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until it thickens to your preferred consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Taste your gravy and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper. You might also want to add a small knob of unsalted butter or a splash of heavy cream for an extra layer of richness and a silky texture. Serve your warm, homemade gravy immediately over your favorite dishes, like mashed potatoes, roasted turkey, or beef. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.